Yeah, Abusia. Me pama chow me mamu nyina good afternoon. Ghana there am say we abo. Good afternoon. About 5 minutes after 2. And then Saturday. Enya dia na my say me be any life be bet. Me ba bestra will be nipa ni near around me train. So I have to be in the car. I decided say my use time when I'm in the ending come. Okay, it's very important. Abusia they said many of us, you know, you take it no matter cost serious. But I'm telling you, if you take my word for anything, it is really serious. Said and when I can run. After this whole thing now is here, you know, the world will never ever remain the same. See? The world will never ever remain the same. Share baby and no my cause is here, you know. So what tenacity dina what the ones who na wadwin abisa wo nsem fu ebi na wate ase a ubon say we are not in normal times. Don't forget we are in 2020. Okay? Last year 2019 2020 no you see next year mu pa na ga you be see new century mu an no you be 21 echo so where your junction be a see the position of the stars and all that, and many things will change. There's no two ways about it. You see when we start talking about number 4 and number 4 being activity, and if you're not very careful there will be bloodshed and many unforeseen things happening because of the conjunction of Mars and Saturn in the house of number 8, which is the number of house of enemy and all that, you know. Some of us, many of us, they didn't even take it serious. We spoke about it. The world economy is going to break down. I told you there's going to be famine. 2020, many things will be happening. And you're not American way. And no prophecy. Your predictions based on the constellation of the stars. Ya can want some. Now, me say you better serious. Yeah, I'm on for money moon you. Yeah, what tenase not the wajin bubua. Say see Mom wo UK, Mom wo US. I say memo be uncle tenefi, memo be a nyajuma. Okay, so it lasted for only 2-3 months. Do you know what is going to happen? Companies are normal and neuro any many things in Ghana to see normal kwa na ekofomuno. Even getting the raw materials, plain and ma. Ebedu baby no all the canned food na mo wa shesha mo stores na mo di nyina no eba besa. Esa companies no they will not get the raw materials. Now even post the raw materials no ha. Who is going to go to the factory to go and produce those canned food for you to eat? And into the baby, even Ukraine kampa, you will not get anything to buy. And you're very easy. So say mom walk on to my bruchene the as a mukromono, mo economy niye. And into a bank so why then one ya jumpa, you bet your car. Matisa say UK government say obet 80% of whatever it is, so companies and for 20% ka home. Say ebedu Ghana here. Ghana high wire juma kura wie no bosomi so a ahen ye de ma government sika be no wa obeka say ono de bi so private companies say fatia wa kesika ba bi ade na iko no me say yenye careful because you're a long way ahead of us. You're a long way ahead of us. Akoda njempa among for more Africa ha e bia or more plans to travel abroad or more being say okay, obia ombepe sika no matukwan no. Before so be nim nyina be tia da kura na ye be hu so akwantu be ye freely no. Na ekobe ye 1 year. Me say na ekobe ye 1 year. Ti be bia no makeka kon enya de a efe. And then me say prevention is better than cure. Because as it is now no obi bia nya vaccine bia na ebetimi adan ayi sa ade we e de free ho. Now before say vaccine po beba na ye bega so ya giatum say ye adwuma e wi ase emra giatum say be ye adwuma nti ye distribute no na eboro 6 months to 1 year. Ntimenya wadwe mi say see ade we e ba betia de see ya o hwe ebiri wom na e betia dem pa ye behu so say mu ada enti obi ya Ghana ni na ebi ya Ghana ha e ba ha kese o kwa America ye ma kwanse bra ana mema no enya de de fom. We need to be very careful na yam prevent ye ho sa ade we nku ana akoba sa ahiafo ne sikafo nyina no everybody is suffering. Se we Ghana panyimu bi na wo sika sesen na yade bi bo na se wo kwa abrochiri mpa plan be na befo akọ se no wo ye panyimu bi na anya yade bi bo na abo na yade foforo bi a wo se wo tu kwa abrochiri plan be na de ukọ. When every time we've been talking about this thing say yem panyimfo enhwe na yankasa your situation yentim ntoto ye no ma yie your hospital enya yie bibia enya yie. The CN a basa unko country be also for 6 good months. What is going to happen in Ghana? Ye be import. We are importing every single thing to this country. And the banner say 6 good months. Not plain BM2. Na yentimu import what will happen in Ghana? Yensasene da ho yenyusu yemfa nyafu nya because all the time and more normally sugar baby everything is imported. Sure? Baby awiase ne kono. At the end of the day the world will never remain the same. And now we are the ambassador na kan wasem. Pe aduro na ye. Find something to do. Yeah before we are Africans. And I'm telling you say we have the real thing. We need to prevent the way say end to yen. Prevention is better than cure. Even cure no kwanya maye. The cure is not even there because there's no vaccine. The mesra oba show hu so ye. Show hu so ye pa and no ma be hia no twe hu free ho. Going to public gathering all that no muntwa so ye kwa ye muntwa so me pa mo chaw professionals a kire yen say yare no yen sa na ye de fa na ye da akoye ni ho ne ya so ho ne ye no ye keka ho and to ye make sure say we are always clean. Our hands are always clean. Yen ho yen sa under running water with soap ohoro ne ye kama eno achi no bope hand sanitizer eye papa enya nkuruma na omaya wo kuromu no Ghana had the omoto wo kuromu anane boya tansi de because 120 150 ni nyina ye nkuruma bi na moya gum. You will not believe say obi kokoto obi bako for kese say memi abigo mi say me de before me say no na eye liquid soap and omudi agum na enya hand sanitizer abi before timu edin say ade ya si obi ani abra yesu sikani ho na manfo ani abre no. People are actually producing fake stuff omudi gu market no. And I mean who dey be post be our Facebook yes obi kokoto bi tap and time and ye dey go to na yeton. The black man has some black mind that biribi obaso onchiti obi. To see I know and no me kire maduro bi. Today I want to actually expatiate on that. Ntina me ba awie. Say the be ya misraw baby I want to pebibi na ye. It is very important pebibi na ye. Yade no adronya mayo. The na adrompo ba. Ehia for ne mobra for before say ye benya bi no. Na oburu gban ye. Mobra wafo ehia for say if ye nya adrompa before say ye benya bi say ye the support ye ho no. Na oburu gban ye. So now no the only music as obi atone say prevention is better than cure. Tiyenya bibi mfa ho. Me say yenya bibi mfa ho because the ekono enya ade e ba ba gye da sesi anpai mete say Ghana enra na ye 19 cases na yenya ye anpai mete say 21. It means that the number is always increasing. The baby be a one who bet me and be at any time. Market na wo kono trotto na wo trem no taxi nimpo wo bet me be. So you take precaution very well. Now your precaution you better can say make sure your hands are always very washed down cleanly. Make sure your hands are cleansed properly. And how do you do that? You wash your hands under running water with soap. We are no pet hand sanitizer a papa. According to your Thomas say, alcohol a woman not less than 70%. Nasa alcohol we no, and yes, I application ya no muntia ni where industrial alcohol no money yes I do way, and ya application. I turn visit a man for no man a man for and no my application no. Sa alcohol na ya do you and yes alcohol na ya no. Where industrial alcohol. The muntia ni a man for again say a application ya ton. Tino manya, omo di brunya. Te wia na man for be nsa eno entimi mbo out. Industrial alcohol no omo de the correct sanitizers no. Ena okota mesraw di kan fa bi gu nsam. Na hwia hwansa bebre wo ha yenkunuma bi no mayam na omo de nchena fra na omo to market wo. Before anything bonisam people are making money out of this. San crofo manya very careful. Why do you say wo ye obi o? Nipa na wo de man na ori ko good nsem antimenku virus no bia no na ko hye ba bi ne wanya bi ne wa bobo agu so ko ho awso wa benya na obom se wi ase no otu odibone e bi ka ba no. All I'm saying is eno me kire maduro bi today I want to expatiate menemo ka say eno adura me kire mo no mumu hwan na anopai what try so obe practice bi se oye bi mumu hwan enra mo amutie me enra me kire mo bibiduro bia obetumi di aya tete no na obinya malaria obinya flu obinya cold ye ya eboa with some combination wo ya ebetimi ya prevent se ade we kura na ebi ba ho a entena ho nipa he na no pa bi o maye bi enra me ya life ya na Kofi Adoma me hu se oba life ana wo hwe onzo wo bi our contact na nipa no oba life se ya who said that person is watching. And the Kofi Adoma aye video or the attorney page, meaning to what one. I no idea me chere no. Why ye bia audio prunu ho or chere the way a buonipa. Mo me chere mo no nipa he na ye binra. Me kasa sa 1 hour 35 minutes. Nipa he na ye. Me say, baby, we are not in normal times. So people need to pay attention. Ya young Kurana na ye wofie no. Wo yo be able to na kurase a. Na papa no mama na omo yam mo wofie be hem ponche ana odwan ana nkokọ yare ba sa akosidiosis ne ka omo a omo kọ na ko asa na a viral disease. Na yetimu ye nnuro bi digu omo no ma na omo ho atọ omo. They me chire mo no an ya de wo ya ebetumi aboa wo ena me say repeating na ma cheche mu yie me pa cho so we benya access to these things that you should do it. Yen Africa mbo ne ye mobo no especially over Ghana ha the way I normal enter to yie no say Nyankopon an ye moa na ba beto Ghana ha na be ye nwonwunan say de aye wa amanfo kuro mu na say de yaso be ye hye no say they make no why first you nya ade we no very simple what ade we bi ho adipa ne sika ne kura ma wo no say ebi woni pa ne nsa ho na aka sika no na wonya so sika num na wan clean won say ye under water running water with soap na don sa ba wo hwene ho wani ho ba bia obetime den anya bi anya no nko a o wakoto aduane kura ba bi na ya serve wo no se ni parents ahụ ebi wo ho na eka aduane na usomu a na de bi ka hwena no ebe yawo the American Bessian said the way ya de ne tre no ehu ena ba bi ye kọ no so ehu to the point say we are say aircraft nyina agrandi omuntu te wona emba hu ana na man for to Ghana has say ha de we are entimu nyaw we don't need the okabisa Kuwait go to Kuwait now say awo ho ana go to Qatar. Worship, but people are getting it today. Master Madra me chairman no an ube to me once a day or twice a day you should do it. And the pay me sorry you know. ana me bugu ade am na me no aye na me di punu me ho about 15 to 20 minutes me wie na me di ko dware ye me ko dware wie na me no bi say before we have medicine to everything. Ye ni nkrofo bibi ne ye hwehwe mu ntino eye aduro no ebetim kura sa obi ambo nyentum ye nafa bo ho ban. Ye nafa bo ho ban woni wabusuafo woni wo ma ene nkura abusuafo wo fia no pa no ma obi ampunu bia so no bepie wapie te se ya se sukukura ni ho ma wo nkura de ntena fie suku na ya tomu se de be ya amanfo go together woni wo ma mo ntena fie munya mu ho aduro before the one abrafo no omunni. Unfortunately, we are not taking advantage of what nature has given us. The herbs are around, the leaves are here. So unima, make the combination, it will help you. And it's now clear me coffee. Now me can comment no. I'm for beside same pin. I want to answer those questions. Now me repeat it. Process no. Ubetimi ayebi ebebuaw. Mama wo UK mu bia come on. And you lock him down, no? America for you lock him down. The whole world is locking down. Anything you're very careful, na ya yeti ha. Say ya baby be anye. Say ya bet me boy ya ho ban. Na ebagi atese say the atese wa other countries na. Enya sem papa ema ya Ghana ha. Ghana ya trotro sem enye. Ya market ko makala ko hade. Ko kanshi. Ko bata marata market ko agbogbrechini all these places. Ko kete ko hade. Enya easy. Enya easy. Ntimesremo. Prevention is better than cure. Men train ma adeno emeto wabusu mansa. Because Ghana high was a CM no. Only 2 places to the best of my knowledge depend on yes attesting no. Accra baako Kumasi baako uwo tamale no nya. Why na yakofa ka ne de waba. Usika kra we he. But baby a wo tie bibia no. Se nyame ye wadom na wunya haban ni bia. Mom work on to me a bit difficult for me. The situation is a little bit precarious because more quantum to say play the cry that may and into crowns will be quite the beef Ghana Abrawa and Yadia Defum. Tino Mobasham who see no cleanliness the money ye. Hands that I'm on baby yam on sat, no one clean. But we will be opening access to this leaves now, me poucho, ye dear mature ye babuau. Virus on us abano. Che? Adio and abba. But metaphysically, no, the position of the stars is negative to the point say a normal hold of the sense we are making. Ubon say Yadian Bess a chum crana in Suba Bessas Betono. In Su air by betot didn't think about flood no ma. And yasam ketua. A do time or Pessia. A Yanni Bebo didn't think about the ending in say. Because our system, our prediction will say, as I said, come ever. So when you know your idea where you you expect it. Tia Muhammad say at least you been here who are then. Nay, did make a yanto. Said that they know yen. One you careful now when you been pie yen to your new become crowfire at the end of the or more dorsal. To one so can you be pie yan head and tea and import how ye. To be slow. If I'm a chow. Prevention is better than cure. Prevention is better than cure. No, me chama debi. But what you need, me say dan check any life because me train obi nipa ne ba ya pese be gya na yedi enkom. Me say wo be pe ahaban ye friend say nim tree, eye dua kankan. Nim tree. Nim. Na haban ne ba bi a ha emre no na wo be pe. Na wo pe popo bo fre. Na haban ne dey dry, dey fresh one, dey dry one no na be pe. Uwi a you will do even a cassia. Oh, so yellow, sir. And now me try to your platform and so bet. Now instead of clear. To me, I said, now can me PR. Now my picture by me young uncle baby. I mean, who do any be hunting? Me ya me try cassia any picture. Said it here. In fact, a cassia no a family or more doors of power, more varieties power of a cassia. A cassia na make a different one. Could be a hopper. We will be a utako kumasi. Now if you come and say, quite on my dear baby. I can't say any own baby, but Miss Slow, and ya Cassia be an America, make a special one be a Ghana hapa, a Ghana any Australia, and a one more. Tiamia Domna, me who baby be one, me pack a car, number 20 picture. Now me the top platform so. acacia no se wonya ni hin root ni bia nka ye ba bia na wontumi ntu root na wape na haban ni bi ene nti no edi nka ofa nim tree ahaban de emre kakra no uwi ya na de popo de dry no na haban na make out na wo de acacia haban se wonya root na ginger na mema na nya dodo ena black pepper na mema na nya dodo kakra bi pe onya kakra bi gu nsema na de ni nyina sigya so fa nsuo gum na no na mbenya se eye hwia na wo hwie agu bucketim wo hwie agu bucketim na wo pentoma bi emu eduru na de akata wo ho na de apunu ho na de apunu ho be 10 to 15 minutes obanse obepaja ntoma no na fifiri atewa ma wo be hu se ho aye hye wo wie ya na pena na de ko bathroom na wasa nsuonyu kakra de agum na wo de adware wo dware wi apa mempopa wo ho dryer now no you go wo wi a obetima for cap na wasa kakra bi na wanom so ya de we sa ho sa ya de we I'm telling you say enya de beba ho abibia tete no ho enura ho da yempanyimfo ne wo ba o man twera nto ho abrofo se bibia say you prove by science anything abrofo prove ye ntino o meka say enya emwa but I'm telling you if you do this no e be safeguard you make so no so wo to say car urine pills be na car urine how you can drink it will boost your immune system and I dream bebrebe no stress because when the immune system is very weak you know and a virus on the bar ntempa no na adifiti bibia so me pa mo chaw ehia me panti and amenemo kasai ba mo chaw especially with the Ghanaians in Ghana your situation no enya good so ya dey better to say enya dey abeboa yen hwe ye trotro the way atie hwe ye market the way atie ye set up and kasan the way atie na ya busia pin ye kabom nti ya ba e be too much to bia mo ne ho ban obi bia nya bibia obetimi dia prevent sa ade we te mesro make system ni bio me say obepe eye nim tree na haban de emre no utimi bubu kakra eye unya popo ni leaf no dry popo leaf now what the acacia no you so many the family no more so pa there are about 72 different kind of trees and different kind of acacia but the American or Ghana pa and Australia so the American is a free Kumasi now uko sunya abon se kwano ye dua ni bebrebe eso emayele yellow bisa and no me try to admin platform so bam say picture na clear enti na me hu bia me gina na matwa ni picture na me da to your platform no so ti sa acacia da haban anani hini no and na abeka bom o kare nyina ade bomu a na ode agu pot wa yedon ade ewom ba wo de ginger kakra bi na wo de black pepper so kakra bi aka ho enam se obetimi adware bi ntino memma ginger no nye too much and memma black pepper no nye too se be obetimi bi adware okay onno na ye se pa na waso de asi wo na wahwie e de agu bi a bo bim na wo de ntoma akuru ho wo de ntoma akuru ho na ogia be 10 to 50 minutes na punu wo bon se fifiri etewa then obetumi ayi ntoma na firi so uwi a na wasa nsonyu kakra de afra de ko washroom bathroom fa dware opa ya member pa ho so wo ya ade we na de aka wo pot ni mu no obetuma fa cap na wasa bi ne wanom ono wo yere no ma monya na mo hwade e be take care of you sa de ba bi e ko no mesra mo enya ade ano e ba betwa se sie e be chewe ho kakra. The most important thing is that you prevent your prevention is better than cure. Na drum ponya mai ti mesremo obi bia try obetumi aye de maka ye eno actually make sure so all the time your hands are cleansed onsa hohorantem bia na nya very cleansed oba horonsa under running water for soap ka ho uwi atem bia no onya hands and the papa na de bia papa onsa ho. Don't forget your phone nyina o car key o fie key ni nyina no ya na de sanda de bia ka ho na wa clean ho because at time wa horo onsa kama by phone no virus no ho na go so mu a ebenya. So we have to be very conscious of our condition and you're very good na you're very clean, very neat. O ma wo fie am wani nko mo ho pa ye nkura de we o mo di agro ne ha adwen ma wani nko nkura ni nyina ho na bribia no be na obi aba ofie oba ya ape na obi open we wura ho onti fie ho bi o se virus ni bi won nsa na ka do no ho e betimi ayewo wo han sanitizer ni bi na ntama na clean home. Please yen take our precautions yi e ba boy en pay yi e na adura ma kire o ikoye e Africa ye noma e boyen e boyen because helps in no wom okay ka bom sa na wo ya you see things going to go well. Me kasa nche in fact I want to speak with you for some few minutes and I think say you take advantage. Oko Kofi Adoma page ho a and pay oye bi oye nyina na recording on the to ho. You can just go and look at it, follow it e ba boa me pa mechowo ye nyina ya mo boy ye ho because ni papa kunya bi wo area na wadwe se wonya ya e betuma be sane ho nti ye nyina ya dan ya mbo boy ye ho na se bibi na yinima yenye ba yenye very clean because Ghana is too dirty the way to ball agu anyhow ya ne ba ho e be trentem te e be sremo obi bia mpajo obi se baby akura betimi aye baby betimi aye ba nkura no ntimi mpunu nchente no obetimi ni bi adware no it's good betima bobi agu nanum na wanom medicine very good mpacho wo ya be ye wo ya pemfo a most of the times obi bia in the situation to ya pemfo a mesraw men konkonnum bi because obi ho onyensan a ense bebre wo ho nti kononum no bia bebre a ebetimi anto ya pemfo a men konkonnum bi obetima ye bi ade bi adware but don't drink okay me pa mecho very important obi an try na onye wo ya ebeboa na hwe ho si ye mesraw ba bia obi ya no when say obi bia obeba won chen bia ya suspect obi bia na obeba won chen bia ya suspect obetimi ni bia ba woni ba bia nipa ni free ba wakwache obi waje ade obi nsem obi bia ba won chen ya suspect ti obi betena o kan mu na osikwa ntempa na no handle na so mu na obetimi na opesa hand sanitizers ni bi na the clean home obi bia ya suspect how ma me abesra woni ba bia o free ba ye yes clean yourself make sure say everything is clean ye nyina ye ne sa ho na ye boa ye ho a I tell you things will be fine. Let's mo. Ti men kasa nkwa chiri break up. Why? Bye bye.